Hey y'all, so today Darius and I decided to show you something that's going to change your world. Since we've been in lockdown, we decided to rewatch The Sopranos, and there was an episode that they were traveling, to kill somebody, and they got to this diner and they were serving Johnny cakes. So we decided to research them, and I swear to God, we're never making regular pancakes again.
Yeah.
These are going to change your world. So what we have here is 1 cup of cornmeal. And I'm going to show you how to measure, because when you measure to bake, it's different than, cooking you can just throw a little bit of everything in. But what you want to do is make sure that you tap and then scoop off straight across. And that's 1 cup. So we're going to add 1 cup of flour to the 1 cup of cornmeal. And then in this bowl, we have 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. And then in the bowl here we have 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of melted butter, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So what I'm going to do is add this in, give that a stir. And I'm going to add in all the liquid. And then give that a mix. Now, we've been trying this a couple times during the week, and what I find is it works best after you refrigerate the batter. So we're going to make the batter Saturday night, and then we're going to make the Johnny cakes tomorrow. But it seems like you have more control with the batter if you let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. So now that it's pretty much mixed, they want you to add 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. So what I'm going to do is grate some fresh ground nutmeg into it. Now we're going to mix it all up, make sure it's all incorporated. I swear to God, you're never going to make regular pancakes again. No more Aunt Jemima box. No more box stuff. You're going to make these.
And they're the perfect little round pancakes.
Well, that's because I make them that way because I know you like them small and little.
Yeah.
Little silver dollar signs. So I'm going to put this in a container, put it in the refrigerator overnight. Then tomorrow we're going to show you how we do it.
All right.
See you tomorrow. All right, everybody. Welcome back. It's the morning. Good morning, team. And you can see I made some plain Johnny cakes over here, and I'm going to show you how we do it. We made the batter last night. We're going to put a little bit of Pam in there, or spray, whatever, butter, and take a little bit of the batter. And we like them small, like silver dollars. These are going to change your world. I don't think I'll ever make regular pancakes again. Then we're going to put a little bacon in them. Little bacon stuffed Johnny cakes. How do you feel about that? Then once they're done, put a little butter on them, some syrup, or syrup, however you say it. These aren't like pancakes in the sense that you don't look for the bubbles, because the cornmeal, they're kind of thick. So they don't do that bubble thing as well. Some bubbles will come through. But I think this batch is burned. Maybe that one's burned. I think that one's going to hit in the garbage. Maybe not. Be a little doughy, it looks like. So that's it. You put them, plate them up, some butter and some syrup, and enjoy them. I hope you give it a try because they're really good. Thanks for watching.